Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to increase or decrease the volume gradually in CapCut when you're editing videos on mobile. Essentially fade in or fade out audio at certain sections. So you want to go to the CapCut app, and then I've got a video loaded up on the timeline right here. And let's just say that my keyframe or I want to fade in the audio. So I would start here, press this little diamond button right there, and that's going to add a diamond right at the start of the clip. Scroll over to volume, change that to 0, and then from there I'm going to slide the video, move the playhead to around 4 seconds, and then I'm going to increase the audio to there. And it's going to add another diamond, and that's where the audio will be at its loudest. So from this first keyframe, it's going to be 0, and then as the video plays, it's going to increase the volume and go to its loudest point right there. And then from there, I'll keep it the same volume level throughout. I'll let you hear it. Photos on Canva, do whatever, and have the audio playing in the background. I'm using an iPhone for this. So let's just say that I wanted to decrease the volume at this little section and fade it out. I would add another keyframe right there, and then scroll along to, let's say, 12 seconds, decrease the volume to 0, and it's going to add another keyframe for you. So from there, it'll be loud volume, and then it'll decrease gradually right to this keyframe. So let's hear that as well. An iPhone for this. So what you want to do is, well, I should say, if you have the YouTube, and then there will be no video or no audio playing for the rest of the clip. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe.